Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're testing some new stuff that just arrived in the warehouse today. This is an Eriez Xtreme metal detector. It's their 14 by 14 model, but the tunnel actually, for argument's sake, is about 13 by 12. It's got a service indicator light showing it's green, operating. Probably needs a new DC control unless somebody permanently, intentionally disabled that. They've taken the controls of it so you can't change the speed. We have our standard test stuff here. This is a 3mm ferrous, and this has a very unique feature in the controls. It stops after it detects metal. Blue light indicates detection. Stops and delays for a second, so an operator can retrieve that. We're trying a few different metals here right now. This is a standard safe line detection. It's a 2mm ferrous sample. That was 3 that just went through. Let's see, it does stop for a second. Touch sensitive screen, all nice controls. We're going to see this on our website under the metal detectors category. I'm going to give it a clean up, and then we'll have some new pictures of it on there as well. Thanks for joining us today for this video, and I hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.